Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Daniel, one half of the Kwak Brothers. We have a bit of a treat today. I got one of my best friends here, Mr. Melvin Johnson, founder of MAAJ Group. And in this video, we're going to be talking about the best credit card to get for 2019.
Hey guys, my name is Melvin Johnson again. Today I'm going to share with you what I believe to be the best kept secret in the credit card industry. This credit card company has just really done something phenomenal and also underwent some changes as of late within the past 6 months. However, it has not affected their performance as a card issuer. But before I move on, a lot of you guys know this company, particularly you may have seen them on Amazon during checkout or eBay during checkout and various other websites during checkout, and only know them by way of the credit that they offer in their business. And if you haven't caught on yet to what company just that I'm talking about PayPal. PayPal offers a phenomenal credit card. They offer two, by the way. They offer a PayPal MasterCard and a PayPal Masters Extra, which is a 1 to 3% interest cash back on any purchase that you spend. I think this is phenomenal. Recently, PayPal Credit was bought out by, the servicer for PayPal was Community Bank, and they were just bought out by Security Bank within the last 6 months. So they've underwent some changes, and if you don't know and you have a PayPal credit, look out because they will start reporting to the bureaus. If you are like me and you love that introductory period that they have, but then they're also that special promotional financing that they offer, that if you spent over $100, then you would not have to make a payment until 6 months. If that balance was paid in full, you wouldn't even have interest on it. Well, they've changed some things a little bit because now they require that you have at least a minimum payment on that balance. That's no interest. You're just paying on the minimum principal. But then also they're going to start, I would say here in September, reporting to the bureaus. Now, when you call, they may say, hey, we don't know when this change will go into effect, or maybe it'll go into effect in a couple months. But nevertheless, it's changing. So if you have a PayPal credit and not a PayPal Extras MasterCard or a PayPal MasterCard, make sure you get that balance down as low as you possibly can get it so that you can have the best chance at maximizing your credit options when you go and apply for the card. Now, back to the PayPal MasterCard though. PayPal MasterCard is awesome. Not only does it offer a 1 to 3% introductory sort of, no, that's not even 1 to 3% introductory. That's actually 1 to 3% cash back on all purchases. They offer at minimum. We've been successfully able to secure most of our clients at least 15 months at 0% interest on these credit cards. So that's phenomenal. So if you're like me and you like to use these cards and you don't like to pay interest, you can rest assured knowing that you have this for at least 15 months. Okay, that's phenomenal. I don't know many card issuers out there that are doing that for beginning card holders. Now, a lot of times you see 9, 21 months, and every now and then you hear a story of a person that's got a 24-month period, but that's typically those higher cards. One of my last clients, we were able to secure him $10,000. He had only had an account with PayPal for maybe several months up until this point. However, he was able to secure $10,000 just like that. And, as you guys would know, what I would recommend is making sure that if you have a credit profile established already, that you have all your accounts to be current. You also have a low utilization so that you're not sort of risking not being approved or not being approved for as much as you possibly can get, because this is a phenomenal card. Lastly, one of the things that I'll say is maybe if you are in a position where you couldn't wait, open a PayPal account up. Let it sit for a month or two, because a lot of institutions, they won't tell you this, but they require that you have at least a 90-day relationship with them before they'll give you what they consider to be their premium members. They'll wait to give you the max of what they can offer you. If you found this video to be helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Do not forget to do that, and so that you can stay up on the tips, because we'll do this quite often. As you guys know, credit card issuers change their sort of special rates all the time, but I don't want you guys to miss out on that. So please do that. And my name is Melvin Johnson. It's been fun. Until we meet again.